what are firms risking if they don't enable their data in this way?
Really, it's the opportunity cost of doing the best possible work at the firm for your clients and for your team. So we look at it in a few different ways. One, it's the inconsistency and errors that can be created where you are assuming there's no data or using dated information. And so out of date sources are very common that we see. And often that's where teams are working in Excel that's disconnected from other systems of record. And so inconsistency and errors and experience says in a survey, 65% of companies say inaccurate data is the main issue undermining their key initiatives. So it's very common at a high level and at the micro level as well in that errors. The strategy silos, we talk a lot about, there's no single source of truth for data. It's the ability to connect and flow between all of them. And that's very much why we built the product we did and the integration library that we have so that people can connect as many or as few tools as they need to then share permission and govern that data for their work. And particularly with us, we see it in pitches and proposals. And that experience and knowledge management side as well. And so we see that data strategy silos as a problem if it's not well managed, and then permissioned. And then obviously the wasted time, wasted time and risk of actually oversharing information you shouldn't. So when I was in banking and suffered this problem was a constant discussion with our IT team, who should have access to what about the deals we were working on. And then more importantly, can we share this piece of content within the organization, outside of the organization, externally in a newspaper article versus privately in a pitch deck? All of those different layers of compliance are required. And really, it's just that risk of not knowing that and having privy to information that is subject to that as well.